Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing the concept of electric field intensity in physics. The other name for electric field intensity is strength of electric field. The other name for electric field intensity is strength of electric field and is defined as the ratio of force per unit charge. Electric field intensity is defined as a ratio of force per unit charge, and the SI unit of electric field intensity is Newton per meter. SI unit of electric field intensity, is Newton per coulombs. So from that definition, we say that electric field intensity is force over charge. The unit of force is Newton, and the unit of charge is coulombs. And that is why the unit is what? Newton per what? Coulombs. Or you can write it as what? As Newton per coulombs, which is the unit of electric field intensity. Then from this same formula, the symbol for electric field intensity is E, and the force is letter F, while the charge is what? Is Q. This is the word formula for electric field intensity when force and charge are given. There are other formula we can use to solve for electric field intensity when they give us charge and distance, and we obtain that formula from this particular equation. Let's say that I said, force F equals to force, and the force between 2-point charges is given as Q1 Q2 over 4 pi r square, where Q1 and Q2 are charges between 2 points. E0 is permittivity of free space, and R is the distance of separation between the two charge. So simplify this formula we have there. We can get what? F times 1 over Q. Substitute the value of this F into this equation. It will give us E, which is equals to Q1 Q2 over 4 pi E0 R square times 1 over Q. So this can cancel this. E is equals to Q over 4 pi E0 R square. Simplify this is the formula for electric field intensity. But in calculation, we can use this other formula. 1 over 4 pi E0 times Q over R square. 1 over 4 pi E0 times Q over R square. Because what? The value of this 1 over pi, 1 over 4 pi E0 is always what? 9 times 10 to the power of 9 Newton meter square per what? Coulomb square. So that you can easily substitute to get the value of what? Electric field intensity. So we have two basic formula to solve for electric field intensity. We use the first one when for a given force and charge, while we use the second formula for a given charge and the distance between the 2 points. Example 1, under electric field intensity, a charge of 1.0 times 10 to the power of minus 5 coulombs experience a force of 40 Newton at a certain point in space. What is the electric field intensity? What is the electric field intensity. Like I said before you solve equation in physics, the first step is to highlight the necessary word data. So let's highlight the data. From the equation here, a charge of 1.0, that means the charge we have here is charge equals to Q is 1.0 times 10 to the power of minus 5 coulombs. Experience a force of 40 Newton. F is equals to 40 Newton at a certain point in space. What is the electric field intensity? Now, I told you before that we have two basic formula. To solve for electric field intensity. Formula 1 is what? We use when the force and charge are given to us. We use the formula 1, which is what? Electric field intensity is equal to what? Force over charge. What is force? Force is 40 Newton. What is charge? Charge is 1.0 times 10 to the power of minus what? 5. Then what? Divide this by this. It will give us what? 4.0 times 10 to the power of what? 6. And the unit of electric field intensity is Newton per coulombs. So in this question that we are asked to find the value of electric field intensity, our final answer is what? 4.0 times 10 to the power of what? 6 Newton per coulombs. Example 2. Under electric field intensity, we are asked to calculate the electric field intensity in vacuum at a distance of 10 centimeters from a charge of 5.5 times 10 to the power of minus 4 coulombs. Take 1 over 4 pi E naught as 9 times 10 to the power of 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. I told you that in solving question in physics, especially calculation, we have to highlight the data first. So highlighting the data will enable us to know the right formula to use. So in this question, we are to calculate the electric field intensity vacuum. The distance is given to us, which is 10 centimeters, then convert it to meter. Divide by what? By 100. 10 divided by 100 is what? Will give us 0.1 meter. In vacuum, at a distance of 10 centimeters from a charge, we are also given what? Charge as 5 times 10 to the power of minus 4 coulombs. So, and I told you that we have two formulas to solve for electric field intensity. The first one, we use it when force and charge are given. And we use that formula in example 1. While the second formula, we use it when charge and distance are given. And just like the data we highlight here, the distance, which is 10 centimeters, the charge, which is 5 exponent minus 4, is given to us. That means that we are using the second formula to solve for electric field intensity. And the formula is what? E, which is electric field intensity, is 1 over 4 pi E naught times Q over R square. Substitute this data we have here into this above formula. We have what? The value here is what? Is given in the equation here, which is 9 times 10 to the power of 9 times Q is what? 5 times 10 to the power of minus 4 over what? R, 0.1 all square. At the end, we have what? 9 times what? 10 to the power of 9 times 5 times 10 to the power of minus 4 over square 0.1. It will give us 0.01. Simplify it. 9 times 5 is 45 times 10 to the power. Under indices, a number of the same base in multiplication form, we add their power together. That will give us 9 plus minus 4 over what? 0.01. Then we have 45 times 10 to the power of, plus minus is minus. 9 minus 4 is 5 over 0.01. Divide this by this, give us what? 4.5 times 10 to the power of what? 8 Newton per coulombs. That means that the value of electric field intensity we are asked to calculate in this particular question, in this example 2, using formula 2 is what? 4.5 times 10 to the power of what? 8 Newton per coulombs.